Okay, so I'm out here working on my car. I had two problems. One, the power lock on this side was only going in one direction, but it's working now. But now my problem is this isn't going down all the way, so what I'll probably do is just end up taking these off and just trimming them down some. But turned out I had some corrosion on one of the pins on the switches, so now it goes up and down, and they both work. And then my second problem was I cannot control this side with the switch that was here. So I found out, I dug out this connector and I started tugging on the wires, and this one is broken. So I'll probably end up taking the whole door panel off and getting that soldered together, and then I'll probably have power.
By solving problems, we were just enabling them to continue to create this.
Okay, so I got everything put back together, and I'll give you a demonstration. That one works like it should. Yep, they're working again.